Tesla Model Y redesigned from end to end. From the front bumper to the taillight, the exterior is completely redesigned to unlock maximum efficiency so you can get the most range out of every charge. With updated suspension, wheels and tires, your ride will be smoother and quieter. Even quieter, an updated wheel and tire package offers a smoother driving experience. Redesigned body castings reduce parts from 70 to 1 for fewer gaps. All to create a whisper quiet ride. More efficient redesigned to improve range, performance and longevity. Distinctive lighting. Our single, cross car lamp is the first indirect reflective body panel taillight of its kind. All new interior refined materials integrate with advanced features to create a reimagined cabin environment that changes your perception of what riding in a car should feel like. Immersive soundscape. Step inside, close the door and experience the vast silence offered by specially engineered acoustic glass. Cue up your favorite songs and listen as your cabin turns into your own private sound studio. Comfort. From any seat, front and rear touchscreens put all your climate and entertainment settings within reach. Heated and ventilated seats, power recline and soft touch textiles provide added comfort. Even more connected calls come in clear. Data downloads fast. Doors and trunks unlock when you approach. Enhanced connectivity and signal range keep you and your vehicle in sync. Bluetooth capability keeps passengers entertained. Expansive storage. Power recline. Second row seats fold flat to expand your trunk space to a total of 76 cubic feet of storage. A hands-free trunk automatically unlocks as you approach so you can easily store all your gear. Features that only get better. Play your favorite movie, game or song from any seat. An upgraded, ultra-responsive 15.4-inch touchscreen sits at the center of your driving experience, and an 8-inch touchscreen gives access to second-row passengers. With over-the-air updates, you'll always have access to the latest features. Live weather map. Check the weather where you are at your destination. Detour estimates. See estimated detour times and suggested charging options along your route so you can know what to expect before you leave. Tesla Arcade. Play games on your in-car touchscreen. Media stream from any of your preferred media apps to enjoy your favorite movies. Music and audio. Point 3. Comfort and safety modes. Dog mode maintains a comfortable cabin temperature so your pet is safe while you're away. Camp mode keeps your cabin cozy while car camping. Sentry mode monitors any wild behavior around your vehicle. Tesla app access, precondition and monitor your vehicle from anywhere. Model Y. The future of travel is autonomous full self-driving, supervised, a suite of advanced driver assistance features designed to provide more active guidance and assisted driving under your active supervision. Front-facing cameras, enhanced visibility for autopilot and actually smart summon capabilities. Blind spot monitoring, illuminated warning lights and on-screen visualizations help you safely check your surroundings. Engineered for your safety. We engineer our vehicles to be the safest in the world. Active safety features can help reduce impact severity or help prevent accidents altogether. Forward collision warning, active emergency braking and lane departure avoidance come standard. A stiff body structure better absorbs crash energy while airbags help protect occupants. Safety. Model Y charging. No more gas stations, plenty of range for every kind of drive. From daily driving to family road trips, charging is fast, convenient and accessible anywhere there's electricity. Charge at home. Start your day with plenty of range by charging at home overnight. No need to stop and charge before your drive. Learn more about charging at home. Model Y charge along the way when you're away from home and need a quick charge. Add up to 154 miles in just 15 minutes too by charging at one of over 60,000 superchargers along your route. Learn more about charging on the road.